Hello students, welcome to Standard 8. Lesson number 14, Measurement and Effects of Heat. In this chapter, we shall study the following important points. Sources of heat, heat and temperature, thermometer, specific heat, calorimeter, construction and working, expansion of solids, expansion of liquids, can you recall which sources do we get heat from? Answer: the earth receives heat in proper amount from the sun. We can also generate the heat by burning fuels. Many electrical appliances produces heat. Example: electric iron, electric heater, etc. Next question: how is heat transferred? Answer: heat is transferred from one object to another by three modes. First, conduction. Solids transfer heat by conduction. Second, convection. Liquids and gases transfer heat by convection. Third, radiation. Every object transfers heat to the surroundings by radiation. Question third, which effects of heat do you know? Answer: heating any object can lead to change in the physical state of that object. Objects expand on heating and contract on cooling. Third, heat may also bring about chemical changes in a substance. For example, a flammable object may catch fire if sufficient amount of heat is supplied. Fourth, some effects of heat are shown in figure. What are they? Answer: as shown in the above figure, when heat is supplied, physical state of water and ice, see figure A and B, is slowly changed to steam, gaseous state, and water, liquid state. Also, the matchstick catches fire when it is rubbed over the rough surface of matchbox. The air inside the hot air balloon expands when heated, thus the balloon gets inflated and rises high in the sky. We have seen in the previous standards that heat is a form of energy which flows from an object at high temperature to an object at low temperature. Temperature of an object tells us how hot or cold that object is. The temperature of a cold object is lower than the temperature of hot object. Thus, the temperature of ice cream is less than the temperature of tea. We have also seen that when we give heat to an object, it expands and it contracts on cooling. Also, the state of matter changes due to heat. The unit of heat of SI system is joule, while that in CDS unit is calorie. 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.18 joule. 1 calorie heat is the heat required to increase the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. The unit of heat is joule. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. Solved examples. How much heat will be needed to raise the temperature of 1.5 kg of water from 15 degrees centigrade to 45 degrees centigrade? Give the answer in calories as well as in joule. Answer: mass of water is equal to 1.5 kg equal to 1500 gram. Change is temperature is equal to 45 degrees Celsius minus 15 degree Celsius, that is equal to 30 degree Celsius. Heat required for temperature change. Heat required for temperature change equal to mass of water gram into change in temperature degree Celsius calorie equal to 1500 into 30 calorie is equal to 45,000 calories. That is equal to 45,000 into 4.18 joule equal to 1,88,100 joule. Next question, if the temperature of water changes by 10 degrees Celsius giving 300 calorie of heat, what is the mass of water? Answer, given amount of heat given to water equal to 300 calorie, change in temperature equal to 10 degree Celsius, that is mass of water equal to m equal to, we have to find out. Amount of heat given calorie equal to mass of water, that is in gram, into change in temperature, that is degree Celsius. 300 equal to m into 10, m equal to 300 divided by 10, that is equal to 30 gram.